Hello and welcome to Expert Crypto Free Channel. Today I'm going to analyze some best fundamental project and review my previous video. Before starting this video, guys, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and do your own research. Okay, so let's start this video. Before starting this video, I'm going to review my previous video. Here you can see on my Telegram channel. You can see USDT DOM. I clearly mentioned USDT dominance is trying to take support from inverted flag pattern support trend line. If it takes support and 2 4 hour candle closing above support trend line support and make a bullish candlestick pattern, then we will short Bitcoin. Okay, otherwise we have put our SL at entry point because we long Bitcoin around 1,07,900 around. Okay, so if you was then you can see here if USDT DOM breakout, uh, sorry, break down his support trend line and candle closing closes below 4.72% level, then you can see BTC will pump hard. Here you can see after breaking down of 4.73 for 2% level of USDT dominance, you can see USDT dominance dump hard. Then you also can see here Bitcoin is pumping hard after that. Okay, so you can watch my previous video on YouTube and Binance also. Okay, so let's start this video. We, we will analyze some best fundamental project. Okay, today. So our first best fundamental project is ARB. Okay, let's talk about ARB first. ARB have Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Okay, you can read ARB about on coin market cap. Coin market cap. Here you can see ARB about. Okay, and you can see ARB holders. Okay, fuel holding percentage. Here everything and ARB unlock. When how much percentage ARB unlocked in future? You can see 43% and we have only 22% locked. Okay, so you can see here ARB about. Okay, you can search on your Chrome. Okay, ARB, sorry, coin market cap, and you can search it. Okay, so if I watch ARB chart deeply, I can see ARB is forming a bullish falling wedge, so bullish falling wedge chart pattern. Okay, so it take three, and you can see it take 3 time rejection already. Okay, you can see first rejection around 2.3 $2.40 level, and our second rejection is $2.21 level. Okay, so you can see our third rejection, uh, falling wedge rejection level is 1.20 level. Okay, if ARB if ARB breakout this falling wedge chart pattern, we will see around ARB around 2.40% level. But ARB need to first need to break this resistance trend line. Here you can see ARB fourth resistance, falling wedge resistance level is around $0.4523 range. If ARB break out this falling wedge chart pattern, we are going to see ARB direct pump to this range, that is our $1.1981 range, and this will be our first TP, and here you can see here it will be our second TP. Okay, that is around ARB all time high 2.40 level. So you can see, and uh, you also can see ARB consolidating on falling wedge chart pattern. It's around 672 days, but it's time to break out ARB. But before breakout, here you can see, if sorry, one more thing, if ARB break down this resistance trend line, then we are going to we may see dump around ARB around 0.1426 dollar range, but it's good for ARB for long. Okay, if you are buying for long term, then this will be the range you will go for all. Okay, this is the range, but I don't think it will come. I think now ARB time for breakout. We may see ARB dump around 0.33 this range, but after that we are going to see ARB breakout this falling wedge chart pattern. Okay, so we are going to see market ARB is going to pump hard because it's a falling wedge chart pattern and also get 3 time rejection already and also get 3 time support from support trend line. Our next support around 0.11426 dollar range. If I add fib retracement, Here you can see I adjust free retracement, and here is my one level, and ARB high is my one level, and ARB all time low is my zero level. You can see ARB fast TP, you can see here. Okay, $0.13 range. Once break out this level $0.4528 range, we are going to see heavy pump in ARB in future. Okay, so what is our all time high? I can expect ARB around this range, uh, 1.618 range. That's around $3.73 range. It may be our bull run high. Okay, in this bull run, we are going to see ARB pumped around minimum. Its minimum target. Okay, 3.73 percentage level, percentage dollar range. Okay, and according to me, it's going to happen. But we can't predict after this discovery zone because it's market. We can't predict it. But we have some level like 1.618, and after breaking out 1.618, we are going to see 2.618. That is around $5.92 range. But it's our minimum target. Okay, $2.40 is our minimum target of ARB. It's going to happen very soon. Once breakout $0.4528 range, and this falling wedge pattern direct triggered ARB around $2.39 range. Okay, but once ARB get rejection from 0.4528, then we are going to see another dump that trigger ARB around $0.1426 range. Okay, so be careful. And here we are around resistance level. Now you can see here it is our resistance level, and if you can see deeply, if today candle closes below this trend line, okay, 0.3942 trend line, then we are going to short ARB. Our sorry, then we confirm it our rejection. Okay, but one more thing, once breakout of this resistance trend line, then we are going to see huge pump in ARB in future. Okay, so this is ARB technical analysis, and you can read ARB about on coin market cap also, and here it's fundamental thing. Okay, so let's talk about our second project. Our second project is Manta. Okay, let's talk about Manta. Hmm. Okay, here you can see this is Manta chart. Okay, first Manta is a modular ecosystem for Web3. Okay, user can build and deploy any Solidity-based decentralized application on Manta and leverage its technology. Starts to deliver fastest transaction speed, then layer one, and lower gas cost, then layer two. Okay, it's Manta's working principle. You can read it on coin market cap also. Okay, so if I'm watching Manta chart deeply, this is also forming a falling wedge chart pattern, and this pattern is freaking bullish. I also mentioned many times, falling wedge chart pattern means bullish, and rising wedge chart pattern means bearish. Okay, so Manta is also forming a falling wedge chart pattern. Okay, you can see here it's a clearly falling wedge chart pattern, and if you watch this, Manta is consolidating under falling wedge chart pattern around last 458 days. Okay, and already got 3 time rejection. Here you can see Manta got first rejection around $2.03, and our second rejection level around $1.91, and our third rejection around $1.3597 range. But Manta is consolidating same range around last 140 days. Okay, level is around 0.3390 to 0.1548. In this range, Manta is consolidating before 140 days. Okay, and got 3 time rejection on this bullish falling wedge chart pattern, and take 2 times support. Sorry, and take 3 time, also take 3 times support from our falling wedge support trend line. Okay, so let's talk about Manta. If Manta breakout here, sorry, here you can see Manta falling wedge next resistance level around $0.6439 range, and our next support range 0.0057 range. But uh, USDT dominance is forming a bearish pattern and dumped hard, but Bitcoin dominance now also falling. So USDT, so Manta is going to first retest his resistance level that around 0.6439 dollar range, and once breakout this $0.6439 range, we are going to see direct pumped Manta around $2.05 range, and we can book our first TP here around $1.3397 range. If we take long from this level, we are going to book our first TP around this range. Okay, then our second TP here $1.35 range, and our third TP here after breaking out this falling wedge chart pattern. Direct Manta will reclaim his $2.05 range. But if I add fib retracement level on Manta chart, okay, so you can see Manta is forming a bullish pattern, and here I add fib retracement level. Here you can see uh, this is our 4.09 is our Manta high. Wait a minute. Okay, so let take add me a, okay, so here you can see zero, our one level is around Manta all-time high. That is the rule of fib retracement level, and our low, our Manta low is zero level. Okay, once I add this level, you can see Manta 0.5 level is around 2.05 range. Okay, $2.05 range, I already mentioned this before. Okay, so once Manta reclaim, sorry, if I check Manta only falling wedge level. Okay, so here you can see this is our Manta's one level. Okay, and here you can see Manta's 0% zero level. Okay, so once reclaim his 1% level, we are going to see first Manta around this range. Okay, then 1.618 range, then we are going to see Manta around this range 2.618, then here. Okay, our first bull run minimum target is around 1.618 range, so that's around $3.26 range. Okay, so that's Manta's minimum target on this bull run. Okay, so guys, kindly follow me on the Binance and YouTube also. I just created a YouTube channel, other at Expert Crypto Free. You can check it out. Only we provide some technical analysis and some fundamental analysis uh, of a best project. Okay, so you can place some long limit order of Manta and place some. Here you can book it TP $0.6, and the next TP is around $1.3624 range. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and share it with your friends, and don't forget to like. Hope you enjoy and hope you learned something from this video. Okay, so thank you so much.